Hello friends, my name is Akshay and you're watching Devotional Studies. Today on Devotional Study, we're going to cover one more topic from CSS library, and that is sticky element. What exactly a sticky element is, we will figure it out in this tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed my channel or like any of the videos you have watched, please do subscribe the channel and support me. Let's start with the tutorial. So friends, as I said, we are going to cover, sticky element from the CSS library. So we will check how exactly that can be done. So let's create a folder. All right, we have already created one folder. Let's add a file. We can call it HTML dot. That's the file, the HTML file. We'll call it index.html. All right, and we'll cover a basic template, and I will try to make you understand what exactly a sticky element is. So let's understand what exactly a sticky element is. A sticky element basically is an element with position colon sticky property from the styling. If you have use the style sheet or the CSS, you apply a position attribute which can be relative or absolute. So there's one more property which will make its position as sticky. So what exactly that means? It's basically what it does. This property will is positioned based on the user's scroll position. All right, it's basically a sticky element basically toggles between a relative and a fixed property depending on the scroll position. What would be your scroll position? It is basically position relative until a given offset position is met in the viewport, then it sticks in that place. I hope you will not be understanding because it sounds very a tricky statement. But let's try to understand what exactly it does. So it'll be more easier for you to relate with the thing. All right. So without wasting time, let's start with how can we create a sticky positioned element. All right. So for that, I'll do one thing. I'll try to add the header, okay, first, and we can say it sticky element. All right, and then we can say scroll to find how it works. Okay, that's the topmost heading what we have for this page, and then I can give one paragraph, and it says it any random value you can give. Scroll down. All right, this page, okay, to see, all right, sorry, to see how sticky position or positioning works. All right, so this is another statement what you can give. After that, what we'll do, we will create a sticky element. So for that we need a division, okay, and we can call this divisions class as stick. Okay, we can call it stick uh, or sticky. Let's make it more easier to understand. Let's make it sticky. All right, and here I'll just pass one statement. I will stick to the screen when you screech or when you reach my scroll position. Okay, so it does mean that we need to have a page where we can have the ability to scroll down. So we need to add lot of text. So for that, I'll just use the lorem ipsum text. Okay, we'll just use that text. All right, so from this website we can pick the lorem ipsum, and I'll just copy this. Okay, and I'll use one more tag after this division. All right, this can also one more tag we can use, like paragraph tag. Okay. uh, all right, so we'll just open and close it. We'll need to make sure that our page should have a scrolling, approach. Okay, so I have added like enough text. I'll just quickly go to the folder, and we'll launch this page, and we'll figure it out how exactly a sticky position element would work. So I'll go to the location of my directory. So it should be, yeah, this is the project. Just launch it, launch the page. You can see I have the scrolling property here, and that element what I said, this, okay, let's get move to horizontally. So let's see this element. This is the main element what we have. So I'll try to add, this time I try to add a prop styling. Okay, so I'll add a style tag. Okay, and all right. All right, so in the style tag, I need to use some property. So for need to select which element are we going to apply the CSS. So we need to you choose the selector, that is the selector division with class sticky. All right, and then in that we will use position attribute with sticky. All right, if we can use sticky. All right, sticky property, and then we can use like top 0 we can give. All right, another would be we can use a background color if you want. So I'll just use a background color would be let's take aqua, or and then we can use a padding for the text, you know, for the division, basically. So it could be a 50 pixel. All right. So within the text, within this padding, the text would be displayed, and then we can use font size. Okay, whatever the font we are using, we can give a font size of 20 pixel, so it can be readable. All right. Let's see what happens when we you know use this page. So now this is the fun part. So if we scroll down, look at the behavior of this page. When we scroll down, everything gets scrolled, but except this particular division, because we're using the property called sticky. This particular attribute makes it work like this. All right, so that's how a basic positioning of a sticky element happen or work in the HTML page. So I hope you liked the video, and if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos like these on different topics. And I'll be covering more other topics, and in the upcoming future, in the upcoming videos, we'll be covering different topics too. So in order to get all the notification, you need to press the bell icon, down there, and please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Till then, have a nice day and keep coding. Bye bye.